my domain. Time to hunt. Behold the dragon's fury!
Poof! Time's ticking. I will make this a horrific scene of bloodshed.
Death awaits you all!
Paladins is a 5v5 multiplayer first-person hero shooter played on PC or console. Developed by Evil Mojo Studios, which is a development company under Hi-Rez Studios Publishing Group. Paladins was first announced by the development studio Hi-Rez in 2015. The closed beta began in November 2015, and the open beta was released in 2016. Paladins was fully released in May 2018. Since its release, Paladins has been a very popular game. It's quickly gained viewers and players throughout the world.
Just gonna hang on the edge here for
In
a
January
second.
2019, the
I
game
don't
had an
actually
average of
get on
24,917
from-
monthly
yeah,
players,
we'll go
whereas in the
forward
last 30
and pull this
days,
off.
the
It's
game
a
has had an
single field,
average
which
monthly
is a
player
bit
base of
disappointing, to be honest. We'll dash
32,660.
over this
On
way,
Twitch,
pull it
Paladin
up,
average viewer
just
ranking
get
is
rid of
125th,
anybody we
with a
can.
total
This
of
is such a messy place. I just feel really
267,802 hours
uncomfortable recording
watched.
on set.
Paladin hosts 3 5v5 game modes, Siege, Onslaught, and Team Deathmatch. The mode played in Esports League is Siege. The objective in Siege is to capture an objective and push a payload to a designated spot on the map. Siege offers several different maps that give players a different and unique experience every time they play. Players can choose out of 50 different champions. Each champion has a specific role in the game. Damage champions are exactly what they sound like, champions that prioritize in dealing damage to the enemy teams. Flanker champions are used to get behind enemy teams, take out champions, and quickly retreat if needed. Frontline champions are the tanks of the team. The last role is the support role. Supports offer buffs and healing to their teammates and are one of the most important roles in the game. Players have further customization of their chosen champion with Paladin's unique card feature. The card feature allows players to give their champion different ability buffs and champion buffs. This card system allows players to have unique experience when playing the game. Additionally, Paladins has an in-game shop that allows players to purchase utility, offense, damage, and healing items. These item shops allow players to adapt to enemy team compositions and play to their greatest strength. Paladins Esport has taken a break since 2021. According to the game developers, the esport viewing experience wasn't greatly admired. Therefore, the developers of Paladin decided to pause their esport leagues in an effort to put more money and time into improving their games. When the Esports League in Paladins was happening, they hosted the Paladins Pro Circuit. Here are several esports teams like Pickle Pepper, Snappin', Sanguine Esports, Team Project, and more played against each other in the tournament to win a prize. In 2020, the prize pool was $20,000. Even though the Paladins Esports League was taken an undetermined break, it is likely that they will return sometime soon.